Karnataka Assembly Speaker U.T. Khader participated in the Maha Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, underscoring India's rich cultural diversity and unity. Crores of people from various cultures gathered at the event, reflecting the country's strength in uniting people through its diverse traditions, something that sets India apart from other nations. During his visit, Khader took part in several key rituals and visited significant sites, including offering prayers at the renowned Hanuman temple. He was also seen interacting with Naga Sadhus and took a boat ride along the Ganges river, accompanied by Prayagraj district administration officials. Known for his inclusive approach, Khader attends religious events across communities whenever invited. His presence at the Maha Kumbh Mela at the invitation of the Uttar Pradesh Assembly Speaker further reinforced his commitment to fostering interfaith harmony. Speaking to Salar Digital, Khader emphasized that a truly faithful society not only follows its own religion but also respects others, promoting mutual respect and understanding.
World Expo is a very good experience where so many crores of people join together, and the spiritual activities throughout India we could have seen there, and all community people are come and join there. So I have gone near the dargahs also. There also I could be more than 50% other people are there. So it's a mixture of culture, which is the biggest strength of India, because India is the only country where there is unity and diversity. In other countries, such things are not there. So these are very useful for the stronger India in the days to come.
What we need to learn from Kumbh Mela?
See, we have to see, when we know the tradition, culture and the activities of different places of different religion, caste, spiritual activities, I think everyone's individual personality will develop. So he should follow his religion very well. They should respect and know the culture of the other religion. It's interchange of the culture of religions will only bring a faithful society. And that faithful society will make India one of the best country and the strongest country in the world.